Hi guys, just wanted to give you a lay of the land of Eden's Landing. Lots of construction going on. This particular property is a Jackson model and it will be closing in a couple of days, but I can take you through it, and then I'm going to run down to that one also. At the end of the street, that is a Morgan floor plan. Got the metal roof. It's got a one-car carport. This is your main living area, and you've got a little mud room that comes in off the side, covered by a barn door. Nice little space in here. There's that. And then a living or a kitchen area, open floor plan with kitchen, dining, and sliding doors there. And then you also have a barn door for your closet, pantry, storage, electric, subway tile backsplash, Adamson appliances. And then here is your downstairs full bath. It's kind of hard to see. It looks like quartz. And the down bedroom with your down closet. And then I'll take you upstairs. Living space. A couple of windows here. Lots of windows for bright. Is this laundry? Yeah, laundry up. And one additional bedroom. So the one we were just in was the master. Lots of light. And walk-in closet. And all right, so I will show you the next one.